In this video, I will be showing you how to find birthday date on Snapchat. So first, you have to launch your Snapchat application and make sure that you're currently using the latest version of your Snapchat. Now you can go to your chat box and click the name of the person, and then you can click the person's profile again. And if you're going to scroll down here, unfortunately, you cannot see the person's birthday. Even if you tap this three dots, go to manage friendship and so on, you can see the option there that says birth date or information about the person's birthday. So if you go back and try to look to other settings outside this one, like if you go to the settings, your settings, and scroll down and go to friends list, tap the person's name again and look for further information by clicking the photo or profile and clicking the three dots. But unfortunately, you can't see any options there or any information there that says birthday date. But you can see the person's birth month instead, or shall we say zodiac sign. And that's the only information that Snapchat can give you or provide you to that certain person. Maybe someday this feature will be available soon on Snapchat. I do really hope that this video helped you. And thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.